What is up, y'all? In today's video, we are going to be doing the best loadout in Animal Rivals. You guys probably know, I think I did one about this, but I have a better one. The best SMG loadout in the game. We have the SMG, the Deagle, the Sidekick, and the Grenade. This loadout combined it all together makes probably one of the best loadouts ever. But anyways, guys, let's get straight into it, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and join the Discord link in my description or channel bio, and help me get Director of War. But I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so we're in trenches, so we got the loadout on. It's so good. Like, you can laser kids from like far away.
He's hitting me from all the way over there. That's not.
Then jump on with eagles.
Yo, you're an
Then you also have the silent Spitfire to be like a, what you call it, like a secret weapon. Same with the, yeah, you get the whole point.
Bruh.
You get the point, right? 14? Alright. 6, 7. Was this intended for the 67 damage?
Bro, I killed each other at the same time. God, spam, dude. You're an Apex. Like, get better. Well, come on, dude.
Okay. Yo, like, they queued into our game. Not, I didn't queue into them.
Round start.
They got on the pad themselves. Like, they're raging at me.
Bro, I don't think people are cheating that much because this bitch might be. Yo, I'm getting double teamed on.
What?
And he's in the Apex.
Bro! We did not double team. What the sig?
Round starting.
Bruh, teammate. Did we double team? 67? 6, 7! Oh, I found him.
Bro!
GG. Alright, that was the first game with the awesome sauce loadout. Let's move on to the second game. Alright, we're in game 2, so let's go. We're playing on
Match
I'm playing on the
started.
tiny, so we're gonna probably nade to that corner because I feel like that's very tempting. 90 and 77, like. Let's go. First kill. Kind of hyped right now. Kind of think we'll win, maybe. The game's looking pretty good, I think.
Round start.
At least I'd say. There's no way you run to that same thing again. Yo, what the heck? I'm so laggy. Bro, he was like literally 1 HP. Yo, what the heck, bruh?
Round starting.
I swear to you, he was 1. Oh, damn. I am having really bad stick drift right now. So I am not being like controlling this. Like, look at it. Like, it's pro. As soon as I say something about it.
Round starting.
Like, this is so rigged. Let's go. Bro, I absolutely love this loadout. It is so good.
Round starting.
Like, this is why I'm putting it, like, on the #1 spot. Let's go, teammate. I hope we win. I hope we win,
Round
teammate.
starting.
I'm not in game chat. I'm just kind of talking to myself. Is that auto? Alright. There's no way. Alright, let's go to the next round. This is game 3, so this is the last game.
Round starting.
Oh, I got a move challenge now. That's pretty sick. Oh, damn. This kid just got absolutely folded. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stick drift. Stop it. I need to get some, like, ice-borne alcohol and just, like, clean my controllers.
Round starting.
Because it's really bad. Nothing. Yo! Wait, am I alive still? 45?
Get him.
Bro. Alright. Yo, I'm actually kind of cooking.
Round starting.
I have 3 kills. No, just 1. Never mind. My teammate's kind of carrying me. Besides the point.
I'm just getting spam, bro. I got him low, teammate. Right here, he's kind of low. I'm just getting spam, though. I did 70.
Yo, why am I so laggy?
Round starting.
26.
God. He's one tap. He's 20. He's 20 HP. He's 20 HP. I hit him for 160. He's back here. He's all the way back here. He's back. Oh, he's coming in the middle. He's coming in the middle. Oh, he's coming on top in the middle. Oh, he's coming. I think he's coming. Yeah, he's coming over here. Oh, yeah, see me.
Oh my
He
god.
was 20 HP.
Bro,
Oh,
I was on
I'm
12
sorry.
HP. Yo, I was on 12 HP in that.
I
Round
know, I
starting.
hit him for 160, but these kids just spam, so I just got SMG spray, and then, holy, this is my first game in years. Ooh, 40? 40 on 1? Now let's do 1v1 in first. No, you did that?
Oh yeah, so that was the best SMG loadout. We got the SMG, Deagle, Sidekick, and the grenade. I honestly think it's one of the greatest loadouts inside of Animal Rivals, just because it has so much diversity in it. Like, get the long range. We have like long range, close range. Like, you can have any amount of range in this loadout. Short range. And I think this is just the best loadout in the game. So I thank you guys for watching the video to the end. If you did, help me get Director of War. As you guys know, I'm back for the grind. But yeah, subscribe.